Alright, am I recording that way you guys can see this? Okay, you guys see how I got this rigged up on here. So yeah, that's 4 pizzas right there. So imagine if somebody ordered, you know, more, we could do that, but 4 is enough. Thank God it didn't get like on my shoes and stuff, because these people be like, why does my tacos smell like gasoline? So tell me why I got 2 orders right now on me, and Papa John's right over here, somebody just ordered 3 pizzas. So we're literally about to go pick up, we're about to be traveling with 3 different orders on a motorcycle, not only with drinks, but also with a pizza. 2 pizzas, hopefully not 3. I'm pretty sure I saw just 2. Let's see how this goes. What is good, y'all? Another day is always another opportunity. So this is technically session number 5 of doing Uber Eats. Along the way, guys, as I build, I guess, because I think they like break you in. So at first, I'm not gonna lie, the first 2 days, I was getting rides, but I wasn't at the same time, like deliveries. I was out there. I feel like I could have done better, but I will say the rides and deliveries have been getting better as I've been accepting deliveries, and there's like a ranking system and everything. So as I continue to build in this lane, I'm very grateful to be able to share tips with you guys, share the reality with you guys, and then also take you guys on an adventure as we sightsee Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and then some, guys. So there's a lot coming soon, so you guys stay tuned, and let's get out here and hit the road. Let's get it. Side with it. Hey, if anybody likes this hoodie, fear not hoodie, feel free to reach out, DM me. I have a website. All you gotta do is Google I Am Battle Strong. All my stuff, I Am Battle Strong affiliated, it'll pop up. We outside with it, y'all. Another night, Uber Eats, y'all. I'm here to pick up an order for Uber Eats for LA. They're doing construction over here. Ooh, that's a nice little crossover there. This is Bethany's Children's Hospital. It's been pretty cool seeing them do the construction for the last months that they've been doing it. Alright, so we got, looks like we got 3 items here. 3 corn dogs. Let's get it. Do a lot of orders, or is it?
I thought you drove off. Like, where'd it go?
Oh, no.
Already, boss.
Appreciate you, boss. Thanks. But I've been getting a lot of better orders now that this is what, the 4th or 5th night? So now I gotta go to Waterburger. Number 13s and cinnamon roll. That can't be done. This is one of those moments. YouTube history. We break records over here. Break some records. I believe we're literally about to do this. I was trying to cancel it, but I couldn't. So we're gonna keep the faith. Let's do it. Look, Papa John's literally right here. This is sick. I cannot believe this. I can at the same time. Because I'm the type of person where I'm like, I'd rather attempt it than be like, nah, I can't do that. Because that's the first thing anybody says. You ride a motorcycle and Uber Eats, you can't do that. How are you going to carry drinks? Yeah, guys, we're literally doing it. We're doing it. Don't doubt us. Just come with it. Watch how we do. Devin Street at night. And I got a book bag on, so that way I can carry extra stuff too. That's what last one looked like. What we're gonna do is lift this up, put 2 boxes behind here like that. We're gonna pray that none of these fall out. Boom, boom, like that. Then we're gonna hold these 2. Am I recording? Okay, because I had to make sure this is a viral moment. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. This is funny. Alright, I confirmed it. Order verified. Now we're getting ready to order, drop off the Waterburger, I believe. Wow. If somebody would have just came up to me and gave me all this food at once and said, hey, take this, I don't know if I would have been able to do it, but here we are, we're doing it. Alright, y'all don't see no spills either. We were able to deliver that on a motorcycle with 4 pizzas and then some. Let's get it. On to the next one. Thank you for serving and protecting our community. To the hospital, y'all. Oh, almost ran right into the door. He said meet him in the lobby. For people who say you can't deliver pizza on a motorcycle, I just delivered pizza on a motorcycle in the hospital. Shout out to Papa John. How's it going? Now they're just gonna come get their pizza, man. What they at? I didn't put in all that work for nothing. Where's he at? Uh, 1300 cc.
I've got an 1800.
Oh, really? Nice, nice.
900 pounds of bike right there.
It is. It's true. Gotta love them. Have a blessed night, sir. Thank you. Alright, turn this music back on and let's rock out. Do I got something in here? No. Alright. Gotta go to Taco Bell.
What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you were down, whatever. Ride and die together. But baby, know that I'm good either way.
man. On the road again. Picking up an order for Christian tea. Big bucks. Oh shoot, my bad.
Happened to forever, now we're not together.